Essay on Child Labor. Child labor is a serious concern for us on the international level. Child labor means the practice of involving children into any business activity either by force or by their will. Child labor means any employment of children at a lower age in any industry, shops, workshops, etc. And to reach the cause of the problem will help us to fight it better. Due to several reasons, child labor happens in India, while some of the reasons neighbor common in some countries and others which are specific in particular areas and religions. The main reasons for child labor in any country are poverty and unemployment. Because of not having enough earning for the family, they put their children to work to they can have enough money for survival. Adults of the family are unemployed, which is another reason poverty and let their children work with them. Child labor indirectly affects the mental and physical development of children. Working non-stop for several hours makes children prone to physical or mental diseases. According to a study of UNICEF, it is clear that almost 13 to 15% of children are working as a labor and the age group working is between 5 to 15 years only, and child labor is most prominent in the states like UP, Bihar, Rajasthan, MP, and Maharashtra. The problem of child labor is more critical in underdeveloped and developing countries. In India, there are different industries and several products which involve child labor like a bangle, firework, in most of them are working in textile industries. Rather than this, children are also sold by their parents for the money. Parents sell them to work as a servant, the parents abuse girl child, they sell her to an employer in the city to work at their home, and many also sell her as a bride to an older man. Except their children's parents force them to go on the streets as a beggar, flower seller, newspaper seller, etc. And sometimes they are also made to go hungry for several days together, which lets people feel sorry for them and give them money or food. The main reason for the increasing number of child labor is poverty and unemployment in every country where this is the main problem. According to the Constitution of India, child labor is a serious crime and a punishable offense. To eradicate this problem, we should tell the parents about the advantages of giving proper education to their children and not force them to work. The government should also look together about this problem according to their Child Labor Act, which clearly says that child labor is a serious and punishable offense. Predicate child labor, every individual should also take responsibility for reporting about the employment of a child below the age of 14 years. And the must step to eradicate child labor is to steadily provide a well-deserved healthy and normal childhood to every child of the country, which will decrease this problem slowly and surely. Child labor is an serious offense which let the small children's work for their daily need in the age of studying and playing. India has the second highest number of child labor after Africa. In India, most of the children's work in different industries like glass industry, bangle industry, which lead to severe damage to the health of the children. Eradicate this issue, each individual should take responsibility for reporting about any employment of a child below the age of 14 years, which helps the government in the eradication of child labor from the society and the country. It is not a problem to be solved by only the government.